How to install the ColourLab Touchpoints to your Brompton G line. Seat clamp quick release and rear frame lever. Removing the old assembly. With the rear frame released, undo the seat clamp quick release fully using a 10mm spanner. Remove the nut along with the washer. You can now pull the quick release lever out of the seat tube along with the rest of the assembly. Installing the new assembly. Slot the quick release lever through the non-drive side hole on the seat clamp. Then load the spacer. Lever, then spring, ensuring the spring sits behind the quick release lever as shown. You can now push the whole assembly through the drive side hole on the seat clamp. Fit the thin M6 washer, followed by the fixing nut, and loosely tighten with a 10mm spanner. Push the lever downwards and fit the handle on it with the logo facing up. Secure in place using a 3mm hex key. Torque to the setting listed in the video description. Tighten the seat clamp nut to ensure the seat post doesn't slip. For detailed instructions on how to do so, click the link in the description. Before riding, you should also ensure the rear frame clips securely onto the main frame by operating the lever a few times. Roller wheels. Removing the old roller wheels. Use a 5mm hex key and undo the screw fully. You can now remove the whole assembly from the rear frame. Repeat for the other side. Installing the new roller wheels. Fit the countersunk washer on the roller wheel. Pass the screw through the wheel. Then fit the thick M6 washer on it. Use a 4mm hex key to secure in place. Tighten to the torque setting listed in the video description. Repeat for the other side. Hinge clamps. Removing the old assembly. Undo the clamp lever to access the button head screw. For detailed instructions on how to remove the clamp lever, please see the link in the video description. Installing the new assembly. Screw the hinge clamp on the handlebar support. Please note, one side of the plate has a gap, whilst the other side does not. This ensures the plate doesn't rotate whilst the hinge clamp is being loosened or tightened. Ensure that both hinge clamps are installed in the correct orientation. For the handlebar hinge, the gap is facing towards the front of the bike. For the mainframe hinge, the gap is facing upwards. Secure with the button head screw turning anti-clockwise. For detailed instructions on how to do so, follow the link in the description. Before riding, ensure the clamp is fully tightened. And repeat the same steps for the mainframe hinge clamp as they fit in the exact same way.